Hi guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be solving this logarithmic exponential equation. So I'm going to say that let y be equal to the square root of log x. Then from this expression here now I'm going to take the square of both sides to remove this square root sign here. After doing that I got y square equal to log x. So now I'm going to come back to this our normal equation. Now I said that square root of log s is what? Y. So here is going to be what? Y raised to the power y log x is what? Y squared. So we say here now be y raised to the power of what? Y squared. So write raised to the power of what? Y squared. All equal to, then here now will be what? Log s, and log s is what? Y squared. So I'll put it in the bracket. Y squared raised to the power of the square root of log s, and the square root of log s is y. So here will become what? Y. Then we continue. So here is what? Y raised to the power of y square equal to, now power will multiply power here, so we have y raised to the power of 2y. Then again, my next step now will be to divide both sides of this expression by y raised to the power of 2y. So we say y raised to the power of y square divided by y raised to the power of 2y equal to y raised to the power of 2y all over y raised to the power of 2y. Now we continue. For this left hand side of this equation, I'm going to apply the law of indices. So we say since they have the same base, I'll pick one of the base, y raised to the power of what? Y square minus 2y, then all equal to, now y raised to the power of 2y divided by y raised to the power of 2y will give us what? 1. Then now I'm going to consider this expression here now. So we have y raised to the power of y square minus 2y. I will write that. So we say y raised to the power of what? Y square minus 2y equal to, now this one now I can write it as 1 raised to the power of y square minus 2y. We know that 1 raised to the power of any number is 1. Now if you look at this very well, now they have the same power but their bases are different, so we are going to equate the base. So from here now it can be seen that y will be equal to 1 since their power is the same. Then now I'm going to write this expression again. So write y raised to the power of y square minus 2y equal to 1. Then now I will say that I'll write the left hand side again. Y raised to the power of y square minus 2y will now be equal to, now this base now is y, so here I will say here is what? Y raised to the power of 0, because y raised to the power of 0 will give us 1 here. Now if you look at this now, the base, this base here is y and this base here is y, so they are the same. So since they are the same, we are going to equate the power. So the power now will say y square minus 2y is equal to 0. Now from this single expression here now I'm going to factorize. So upon factorizing I got the HCF between y square and minus 2y is what? Y. So here will be y open bracket y square divided by y is what? Y minus 2y divided by y give us what? 2 all equal to 0. Now from here now, since I factorize from here now, I can say that y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, or y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now from this particular place now, I can say that what? Y is equal to 2. So we'll continue. Now the solution for y now, all the solutions for y now are what? Y is equal to 1, or y is equal to 2, y equal to y equal to 1, right? y equal to 0, or y equal to 2. So y has 3 solutions. Now we are going to recall that y equal to the square root of log x. So we continue now. Y equal to 1, right? So here will be what? 1 equal to the square root of log x. So from here now, I'm going to square both sides. When I square both sides, that's 1 square. Then here we have the square root of log x square also. 1 square is what? 1 equal to. Now square is going to divide square root, so we have log x here. Then from here now, I'm going to say that according to the law of logarithm, I'm going to say that x is equal to 10. Since here is base 10, 10 raised to the power of 1. So from here now, I can say that what? X is equal to 10. So this x is equal to 10 is gotten when y is equal to 1. So now let's solve again when y is equal to 0. So we go. When y equal to 0, so y is what? 0 equal to the square root of log x. Now from here now I'm going to square both sides also. So when I square both sides there, I got 0. When I square both sides there, the square root sign will be eliminated, leaving only log x. Then from here now, I can say that what? X is equal to 10 raised to the power of 0 according to the law of logarithm. So therefore x is equal to 1. But this solution for x is not acceptable to make this equation valid, so we'll just leave it like that. Then again, we'll continue again. I've solved for when y is what? 1, we got x equal to 10, and I solved when y is equal to 0, we got x equal to 1, and this is not acceptable for this equation to be valid. Then the last one, I want to solve from when y is equals to 2. So y, that's what? 2 equal to the square root of log x. Now from here now I'm going to square both sides. So we have 2 square equal to log x square. Now 2 square is what? 4 equal to square, we divide square root, so we now have what? Log x. Now from here now, according to the law of logarithm, I can say that x is equal to 10 raised to the power of 4. So x is equal to what? 10 raised to the power of 4, that's what? 10,000. So write 10,000 here. So this is my solution for this equation. X is equal to 10, or x is equal to 10,000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.